Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to cancel Grab car booking. So make sure to follow this process step by step, and at the end of the video you will be able to do it. So first of all, open the application of Grab into your mobile phone. So they are asking to select your location. Just click on use this location, and once you're on the home section, what you can do is just click on your profile icon on the upper right corner, and from here just scroll down at the end, and from here as you can see the support section, like there are two options: help center and share feedback. Just click on help center, and into the help center you will be seeing this kind of like section. So from here just click on FAQ and info center, and into this section just search cancel. And once you search cancel, you are able to see like, can I cancel my subscription, how do I cancel my booking? So we are just tracking how do I cancel my booking. So just click on this option, and from here, before canceling your booking, make sure to read those instructions and you will be able to do it. So need to cancel your booking? No worries, we have got you covered. Like, you can cancel the subscription, just click on cancel, and finally yes, cancel. And however, please note that if you cancel your booking beyond the free cancellation period after a driver has been assigned to you, a cancellation fee will be applied. The fee will be recorded on a separate e-receipt and sent to your registered email address. So as you can read, like you can cancel the like the booking at any time, but however, if you are late on canceling your booking, so a small fee will be applied which will be sent to your email address, and you need to pay that because this is your mistake. And also, like, driver asks to cancel, as you can read the second instruction as well. Like, if your driver asks you to cancel the ride, you are not obliged to do so. Our drivers are committed to honoring accept trips and are encouraged not to cancel unless it is an emergency. So you can read, like, if your driver asks or you just want to cancel it by yourself, you must do not do it until you are ready to pay your fees as well. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.